Still checking Google News manually every morning? Let's automate it. In this video, I'll show you how to turn any Google News search into an AI brief that summarizes news stories automatically and sends them to Slack, Discord, your website, wherever you want it. Let's set it up. First, go to Google News and search for whatever topic you want to track. This could be your industry, a competitor's name, a technology, anything. Every search becomes a constantly updating stream of news as new articles are published and indexed. Copy the URL from your browser bar right here. Then, head over to RSS.app, paste that URL into their RSS generator, and hit Generate. RSS.app reads the page, pulls all the articles, and creates a clean RSS feed in a few seconds. Click Save to My Feeds, and your source is set up. From this point on, whenever a new article matches your Google News search, it will automatically appear in your feed. Look for the AI brief toggle on the right-hand side. Flip that on. Instead of reading every article one by one, AI brief combines everything into a single summary based on the schedule you choose. Open the AI brief tab. This is where you configure how the brief should look. Choose a writing style and format. You can create an executive summary, analyst-style headlines, or simple bullet point recap. You can also customize how detailed the brief should be. For example, choose how many articles the AI should read before generating a summary, or adjust the structure. Things like headings, sentence amount, or even how many emojis to include. You can also add a custom prompt. Next, go to the Schedule section and turn on Auto-Generate. Choose how often you want a brief generated, then pick the time and your time zone. You can also decide when the brief should run. Generate it on a fixed schedule no matter what, or only create a brief once a minimum number of new articles has been published. From this point on, RSS.app will collect new articles from your Google News feed, generate a fresh brief, and publish it on your schedule. You don't have to touch anything. Now choose where the brief should go. If your team works in Discord, Telegram, or Slack, you can send it there automatically, so updates arrive where people are already paying attention. If you want to surface updates on a website or internal portal, you can embed a widget that updates every time a new brief is generated. And if you use automation tools like N8N or webhooks, you can route the brief into Notion, Airtable, or internal workflows. That's it. What used to take 30 minutes of manual reading every morning is now one brief, waiting for you before you start your day. Try it with any Google News search in RSS.app.